Hey guys, like every year, this year too, an important segment of the competition, an official photo shoot was conducted yesterday in the Miss Supranational 2024 pageant, where all the contestants wore their beautiful outfits and won the hearts of all the pageant fans by giving stunning pose in the front of cameras. Hello, namaste, adab, welcome once again in another video. Hey guys, in today's video, I am sharing with you some of the best moments from the official photoshoot event that happened yesterday. So guys, without wasting any time, enjoy this video. The Miss Supranational is an international beauty pageant that began in 2009. Official photoshoots are held during the pageant for various reasons. The number one reason is profiling the contestants. The photoshoot produce official photographs of each contestant that are used to display their profiles on the website and other media outlets. This helps the audience and judges to understand the background and personality of each contestant. The number two reason is brand promotions. The sponsors and brand of the pageant use these photo shoots to promote their products and services. Contestants are asked to pose with clothing, jewelry and other products of the sponsoring brand. The number three reason is media and marketing. The high quality photographs are used in social media, press release and other marketing materials that given the pageant a wider reach and can attract more viewers. Number four reason is preparations of contestants. Photoshoots help contestants gain experiences in posing, expressions and camera friendliness, which is important for final night and other competition activities. The official photoshoots are usually held in the early days of the competition so that the photo are ready in the time and can be promoted in various media. Guys, I know that now like me, you too might not be able to wait for the final results of this official photoshoot. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.